If you have a Microsoft 365 Copilot license, here's a great feature you may not know about. I get data like I'm showing on my screen all the time. There are 3 names. If you notice, they're not all consistent. Sometimes it's first name and last name. Other times we have a last name, comma, then the first name. But I do work with all these people. What I really wanted was their email addresses, but the person that sent this by email or Teams chat or whatever method just sent me a list of names. And maybe I need to send an email to all of them, inviting them or reminding them about an event. Maybe I need to go put them in our learning management system and put them in a plan. So I really want their email. So here you go. I'm going to highlight all 3. I have an M365 Copilot license. So I'm going to click on Copilot M365, and that is when you'll definitely see the work tab and the web tab. You want to be on the work tab for this one. So I'm going to tell Copilot to give me the emails of these users and send that off to Copilot. Copilot, because I'm on the work tab, it has access to my work data. It is protected, but it comes back and gives them to me. I have blurred out the email address because I don't want YouTube dinging me and telling me they can't show it. I blurred those out, but watch this. I'm going to come back with it and I'm going to say, give me this info in a table, show the names and emails. Because even though it came back correctly, it's not very useful to me in that format. So let's go see if we can get it in a table format. Let's let Copilot do its magic. And there you go again. And what I love about this is even though the names initially weren't first name and last name for everyone, it put them in a consistent order. Also, I'll show you what I'm going to do here. I'm going to add department to the table. Now, for the users I'm using, we don't have a department except for just one of them. So there you go. Carol Wilson, marketing, but it would show you the department that all of these belong to. And you can keep asking Copilot questions about these users. It's a great, great feature. It's a huge time saver for me. Thank you for your time. My Copilot training is available online along with Excel, Teams, and OneNote. Have a wonderful day.